I wanted to introduce you to one of my very, very best chef friends. And she kept us a ruling. Her name is Chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles.
Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles.
Yeah! I see all my name. You was expecting somebody else. I had to show you, but her name is so long.
Yeah.
And she is just this little piece of lady that is so wonderful and wrote out a fantastic recipe. So Chef, welcome.
Hi.
You are rolling out another recipe using Daisy coconut oil.
Yes, I am. And today we're going to bake with it.
You're baking.
We're baking with it. Now the lovely thing about coconut oil is if you want to switch it out and bake it, it's just a 1-to-1 ratio. So if you use 1 cup of melted butter, use 1 cup of coconut oil, or even if it's solid butter, you're using coconut oil, how do you know that it's good oil?
It's that creamy looking.
White
looking.
Right? So if you go to the grocery and there's 2 butter coconut oil, you want to get that's totally white. Because when cold hits it, that's not gets wet. So you want to use it in that solid form to if you use it
when you're baking. Right.
If you just whole butter.
Yeah, okay.
So we're going to be making some brownies. I replaced, the melted butter and that kind of stuff with it. And what it did is I love chewy brownies. I don't know about you, right? So let's get started. And it's very simple. It's very, very easy, right? We have sugar, some flour, cocoa powder, chips, chips and cloves. Mix that together.
You only bought no ingredients.
No ingredients, not yet. And you know I love chocolate too. So we have 3 eggs.
Right.
And you want to before we start the eggs, you want to preheat your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we're going to use 3/4 cup
From the Daisy oil.
of the Daisy coconut oil. Just so. And it's going to bake for just about 30 to 25 minutes in the oven.
Is it possible to make that without eggs?
Yes, you can make it without eggs.
Without eggs.
You have egg replacement.
Yeah.
Or you can, there's a solution with our baking soda
Right.
and hot water. So there are, right now, there are a lot of substitutes that you can use. So that's it. Quick, easy, and into the oven.
Makes a whole lot of sense.
350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes.
Based on if you are boxing the roll. I learned that today. Yeah, you never told me.
So, well, I don't think you should have any.
So you're doing Nickolai Salcedo?
Yes. Don't share it, please. Don't share it,
And they look so chewy. They look so chewy. Please, chef.
Let me see which is the smallest.
Wow.
Moist.
Yeah.
Nice. True. So since you have it, you might pick one up.
And the moistness was brought up by the Daisy coconut oil.
And the coconut oil is very healthy.
Yeah.
And anything.
And chocolate, you keep saying, is also very healthy.
Of course it is. So don't have fruits to be going back at them.
Sure. Thank you.
No problem.
If I enjoy it. Another recipe and we're talking loudly. One of our chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles and of course the folks at Daisy coconut oil for making it possible, perfect for frying and baking. And this is a wonderful oil that you can find on the market here locally. Come on back, the man Nickolai Salcedo, the man behind the film or in front of the film. Laugh with the production over the holidays. Come on back.
Roll Out a Recipe is brought to you by Daisy Coconut